Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another lesson with Edu Solutions. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about colors. Yes. Are you ready? Okay, well, let's begin. So, the first thing that we're going to look at is the color red. Yes, look at this color. Can you say red? Red. Great job. An apple can be red. A strawberry can be red. A fire truck can be red. Can you think of anything else that can be red? Look around your home or wherever you are at this time and see if you can find something that is red. Did you find something that's red? Wonderful, okay? Even though I cannot see you, make sure that you're waving your red item. So, let's say it one more time, red. Okay, the next color that we are going to learn is the color. What color is it? Look at this color. Yes, this is blue. Can you say blue? Excellent. Now let us think of some things that can be blue. The sky can be blue. The ocean can be blue. A balloon can be blue. So many things can be blue. Can you find something around you that is blue? Look around you. Or if you can't find anything around you, can you think of something that is blue? Great job. All right, let's say it again. Blue. Now let's learn about another color. Look at the screen. This is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great. Now let's think of some things that can be yellow. The sun is yellow. A banana is yellow. A lemon is yellow, and we use lemons for so many things. Again, look around you, see if you can find something that is yellow, or think about something that can be yellow. Okay? Did you find anything? Or can you think of something that you can shout out that is yellow? Amazing. So let's say it again. Yellow. Now, look at the screen. What color is it on the screen now? Yes, if you said green, that's correct. This color is green. Can you say green again? Great job. So many things around us can be green. The grass is green. Leaves can be green. A frog can be green. Can you find something green or can you think of something green? Did you find anything? Or can you shout out something that you can think of that's green? Amazing. So that was the color green. Okay. The next color that we're going to look at your screen. What color do you see? If you said purple, then you were correct. And purple is one of my favorite colors. Grapes can be purple. Do you like grapes? I love grapes. A flower can be purple. A dress can be purple. Even a balloon can be purple. So if you can find something around you that is purple, or if you can think about something that is purple, make sure you're shouting it out now. Great. Let's move on to our next color. Our next color is orange. If you said orange, then you were correct. Wonderful. And orange is orange. That's amazing, isn't it? A carrot is orange. I hope that all my boys and girls like to eat carrots because carrots are very good for you. A pumpkin can be orange. And we know that we all love pumpkins around Halloween time. Good job. Now, think of something else that can be orange. Or find something else that can be orange. Did you find it or did you think of something else that can be orange? Good job. Amazing. Now, let's review all the colors that we have done so far. Are you ready? We learned red, blue, yellow, green, purple, orange. Wow, amazing. Good job. Let's say them again, okay? And look at the screen. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, orange. Amazing. Now it's time for a color game. I will say a color and you will find something with that color, or you will shout out something that you can think of. That is the color. Ready? Okay, let's go. Find something red. Look around you. Did you find anything red? Good job. Okay, find something blue. Did you find something blue? Or did you think of something blue? Amazing. Find something yellow. I am so sorry that I'm not able to see you guys, but guess what? I think that you guys are doing a great job. Excellent. Find something orange or think of something orange. Did you find it? Wow, amazing. Find something purple. Fantastic. Good job, guys. So today we learned 6 colors. We learned about red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple. You did an amazing job learning your colors today. Thank you for learning with me. And I want you to keep looking for colors everywhere you go and see if you can identify those colors. Okay? Until next time, this is Edu Solutions and I will see you soon. Bye.